Have you ever suddenly felt tired of social media, even though you kept opening the apps every day? Maybe one day you deleted Instagram, logged out of Facebook, or removed every social media app from your phone. And for the first time in a long time, your mind felt quiet. At first, people may think you as a dramatic, antisocial, or unnecessary person. But psychology suggests something deeper is often happening. Because people who delete social media are usually not trying to disconnect from the world. They're trying to reconnect with themselves. Social media constantly competes for your attention. Every notification, every short video gives your brain tiny bursts of dopamine. Over time, the brain gets used to constant stimulation. Silence starts feeling uncomfortable. Boredom feels impossible. And being alone with your thoughts becomes difficult. That's why many people don't even open social media intentionally. Their hands do it automatically. Psychologists call this habit loop behavior, as social media platforms are designed to keep attention for as long as possible. And eventually, some people become mentally exhausted by it. They get tired of comparing their life to everyone else's perfect life. Even when people know those posts are filtered or edited, their brain still compares. Psychology calls this social comparison theory. Some people start feeling anxious after scrolling. Others feel emotionally numb. Some notice their focus getting weaker. Their attention span shortens. Simple tasks feel harder. And real-life conversations start feeling less stimulating than endless scrolling. That's when deleting social media can become a form of psychological reset. Not because someone hates technology, not because life is going badly, but because their brain wants relief from overstimulation. Sometimes they do it because they want to improve. They want more peace, more control over their attention. Psychologists have found that reducing social media use can improve sleep and reduce stress, because when your brain stops consuming constant information, it slowly regains mental clarity. People also begin noticing how much time they were unconsciously wasting on social media. And after deleting social media, many people suddenly have empty space in their day. In some cases, some people isolate themselves emotionally. Some delete apps impulsively during stress or heartbreak. But for many people, it is their way of taking control back. Thanks for watching, friends. Hit that subscribe button to become the master of psychology.